Welcome back people to our channel. Today's video is specifically for iPhone 7 or 7 Plus users who got stuck at iCloud activation lock and have no clue how to bypass activation lock screen. Moreover, you may also no longer have access to old iCloud account password, correct? Well, in this case, you can try factory resetting your iPhone with iTunes. Let's see if it works. Launch iTunes and connect your iPhone with your PC. Now boot your device into DFU or recovery mode. Once detected, hit on the restore button and then wait for the process to complete. Upon completion, you'll notice that restoring iPhone with iTunes brings you no results. You may now wonder what will be the highly successful way. Well, for your convenience, we bring you the ultimate tool, Altphone Activation Unlocker. With the help of this tool, you can effortlessly remove iCloud activation lock, and that too without the need of old iCloud account or password. Let's explore how to make use of this tool. Download the tool from official website or from the link available in the description. Install it and launch it over. Now click on Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit on Start, read and accept the disclaimer. Connect your device to the PC. After your device is recognized, it will start downloading the jailbreak tool automatically. Once done, connect a blank USB drive to the PC and select it. Click Start to burn the jailbreak tool in the flash drive. After the completion, the step-by-step instructions will be displayed on your screen. Next, you need to boot your PC using the flash drive and perform the jailbreak. For that, click on Restart your computer option and confirm it. Once your computer restarts, hit the F12 key several times to enter the boot menu. Select the USB storage device and click Enter to proceed. Now you will enter Jailbreak Wizard. Go to Options and select Allow Untested iOS and skip all BPR check options and go back. Click the Start button and you will be asked to put your device into recovery mode. Hit Next and the wizard will automatically put your device in recovery mode. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into DFU mode. Once your iPhone enters DFU mode, the jailbreaking process will start. And within a short time, the jailbreak process will complete. Ensure to keep your device connected and boot your PC back into Windows. Launch Altphone Activation Unlocker and opt for Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit on Start, accept the disclaimer, let the tool detect your device and push the Start button. And that's it. You have successfully bypassed Hello Screen or iCloud Activation Lock screen, and that too without the need of Apple ID or password. You can now set up your device per usual. Once your device is up, sign into a new Apple ID using the App Store and enjoy the limitless access to apps and options that were restricted by Apple before. We do hope that this video must have helped you. If so, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like, comment and share.